Here it is, the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado EV RST. There's tons of space back here. You also get the mid tailgate. All right, I briefly showed you that this has what's called a midgate as well, but I didn't open it for you. I'm gonna fix that. And helping me out is Michael Kurbitz. He's an engineer at Chevrolet, and he's gonna help me open this midgate. You can actually open it 3 different ways. And first of all, there's one little handy thing. You can get the seat belts out of the way because there's this little latch right here. You can slide it in like that. Keeps the seatbelt out of the way for these next steps. First step among them, lift the seat bottom. Michael's gonna do the other side. Then you put the headrest down. And then there's this latch down here, and it does require a second hand, and that folds the seat down entirely. From here, there are 3 different ways that the midgate can be opened. This button right here releases this side, and you have just the 60% part of the gate open, and that goes all the way to the tailgate, and one moment, all the way to the great outdoors if the tailgate is open. Press the second button right here, which Mike will do, and now you have the entire tailgate open, except you still have this cross beam right here. So if you have the tailgate closed and a tonneau cover, it's still inside, basically. But there is a third option, and it is a little bit more involved. Release these 2 latches up here. That removes the rear glass, and then there's this little button here to catch it. This glass comes down, and there's actually a spot for it. Put these back up. Thank you very much, Michael. The glass is now held in place. I can release these buttons again, and the whole thing comes down. And if you release the tonneau cover, that means you have this whole massive opening to do basically whatever you want. So in the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado EV, you have a tailgate and you have a midgate. You don't get a Michael. That does not come with the truck.